Welcome to our journey into the heart of one of the healthiest diets in the world, the Mediterranean diet. This way of eating is not just about food, it's a lifestyle that has been cherished for centuries in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. Today, we'll dive deep into its origins, its benefits, and how you can incorporate this incredible diet into your daily life. The Mediterranean diet is inspired by the traditional eating habits of countries such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. It's more than a diet. It's a way of life that embraces food, family, and wellness. Rooted in centuries-old traditions, it prioritizes fresh, wholesome ingredients and communal dining. But what exactly makes it so special? At its core, the Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods. It's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Olive oil is the primary source of fat, providing healthy monounsaturated fats. Fish and seafood are common, while dairy, poultry, and eggs are consumed in moderate amounts. Red meat is limited, and sweets are enjoyed occasionally. But it's not just about the ingredients, it's about how they're combined and enjoyed. Meals are prepared with care and shared with loved ones, fostering a sense of community and well-being. One of the key aspects of the Mediterranean diet is the emphasis on social connections. Meals are often shared with family and friends, creating a sense of community and well-being. This social aspect is just as important as the food itself, fostering deep bonds and joyful experiences that enhance overall health and happiness. Let's break down some of the staple foods in the Mediterranean diet. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a cornerstone. It's used in cooking, dressings, and even baking. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, olive oil has been linked to reduced inflammation and a lower risk of heart disease. This versatile oil enhances flavors while promoting health benefits. Vegetables are another vital component. They're eaten in abundance and form the base of many Mediterranean meals. Think colorful salads, roasted vegetables, and vegetable-based stews. These foods are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals.
The diet is based on the traditional foods and ways of eating in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including France, Spain, Greece, and Italy. Principles can be applied to other types of cuisines and preferences, so it may look like a ramen noodle bowl with vegetables and shrimp, tacos with beans, peppers, and avocado, or a lentil curry with vegetables served over brown rice. Some research-backed benefits of the Mediterranean diet are that it may help with weight management or weight loss. It also promotes a healthy heart and may help reduce your risk of high blood pressure and stroke. Eating a Mediterranean diet also helps support
contributing to overall health and longevity. Their vibrant flavors and nutritional benefits make them essential to the Mediterranean way of eating. Fish and seafood are consumed regularly. They provide high-quality protein and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Common choices include salmon, sardines, and shellfish. These nutrient-dense options are vital for maintaining a balanced and healthy Mediterranean diet. Whole grains such as whole wheat, barley, and quinoa are preferred over refined grains. These grains provide sustained energy, fiber, and essential nutrients. They're often used in bread, pasta, and side dishes. Incorporating whole grains into meals helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and supports overall digestive health. Nuts and seeds are regularly included for their healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are popular choices, often enjoyed as snacks or sprinkled over dishes. These nutrient-dense additions enhance the flavor and texture of meals while providing essential nutrients and promoting heart health. Fruits are enjoyed daily, providing natural sweetness and a range of vitamins and antioxidants. Fresh, seasonal fruits are always preferred, and they're often served as desserts. Incorporating a variety of fruits into the diet ensures a colorful array of nutrients, enhancing both taste and health benefits. Moderate consumption of red wine is another characteristic of the Mediterranean diet. Typically, it's enjoyed with meals and is believed to offer heart health benefits due to its antioxidant content. However, moderation is key, as excessive consumption can negate these benefits and lead to health issues. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and beans are important sources of protein and fiber. They're used in soups, stews, and salads, adding both flavor and nutrition to meals. These versatile ingredients help maintain a balanced diet, promoting digestive health and providing sustained energy throughout the day. Shopping locally and seasonally is a common practice in the Mediterranean region. Fresh, local produce is often more nutritious and flavorful, supporting sustainable agriculture and fostering a connection to the land and community. This practice enhances both health and environmental sustainability. Cooking at home is encouraged. Preparing meals from scratch allows for better control over ingredients and promotes healthier eating habits. Plus, cooking can be a joyful and therapeutic activity. It fosters creativity, brings families together, and provides a sense of accomplishment and well-being. The health benefits of the Mediterranean diet are well documented. Numerous studies have shown that it can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It's also associated with improved brain function, weight management, and longevity. Additionally, this diet has been linked to lower rates of depression and certain cancers, further showcasing its comprehensive health advantages.
So the staple of a good fat in a Mediterranean diet? Olive oil. I always keep one of these things at the house. And believe it or not, it really doesn't last me that long. So olive oil is a staple, but you also get healthy fats from things like avocados and nuts. Those kind of fats will kind of keep you full, so this is not a low-fat diet. You're choosing good fats, ones that don't have a negative effect on your heart health and your cholesterol. You're choosing good fats and fats that'll keep you full. So sometimes eating fat helps you from eating other things like excess sugar. You have an avocado or some olive oil and that fills you up. So you're not hungry like you would be if you had a no-fat meal.
So, what makes this diet so effective? It's the combination of nutrient-dense foods, healthy fats, and the social and cultural aspects. The Mediterranean diet is not about strict rules, but about enjoying a variety of wholesome foods and savoring every meal. This balanced approach promotes long-term adherence and overall well-being, making it a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle choice. Let's take a closer look at a few traditional Mediterranean dishes you can easily prepare at home. First up, the classic Greek salad. It's a simple yet delicious combination of tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, olives, and feta cheese, all drizzled with olive oil and a touch of oregano. This refreshing salad is perfect as a side dish or a light meal, bursting with fresh flavors and nutrients. Next, we have seafood paella from Spain. This vibrant dish is made with rice, saffron, and a mix of seafood like shrimp, mussels, and clams. It's a feast for both the eyes and the palate, offering a rich, flavorful experience that embodies the essence of Mediterranean cuisine. For a hearty and nutritious option, try a Mediterranean lentil soup. Made with lentils, vegetables, and a blend of spices, it's a comforting dish that's packed with protein and fiber. This warming soup is perfect for any season, providing a satisfying and wholesome meal that's easy to prepare. Don't forget breakfast. A Mediterranean-style breakfast can be as simple as Greek yogurt, topped with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. It's a nutritious and satisfying way to start your day, offering a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and natural sweetness to fuel your morning. Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your life doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making small changes, like using olive oil instead of butter, eating more fruits and vegetables, and enjoying meals with loved ones. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods and embrace the social aspect of dining, which is central to this healthy and enjoyable lifestyle.
If you're managing a chronic condition with your diet, it may not be for you, or it may be something you want to chat with your healthcare team about. There aren't a lot of downsides to eating a Mediterranean diet. Some people may struggle to figure out what to eat since it doesn't have a lot of structure or black and white rules, but that also makes it easier to stick with for a long time. There's also a focus on European cuisines and a lack of cultural diversity in the original research and many of the recommendations around what to eat.
Here are a few tips to get you started. Shop for fresh, seasonal produce. Cook at home more often. Use olive oil as your primary fat. Eat more fish and seafood. Enjoy meals with family and friends. Stay active and embrace a relaxed lifestyle. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a way of eating. It's a celebration of food, culture, and life. By embracing this lifestyle, you're not only nourishing your body but also your soul. It fosters a deep appreciation for fresh, wholesome ingredients, communal meals, and the joys of a balanced, healthful approach to living. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Mediterranean diet. We hope you found inspiration and motivation to explore this incredible way of eating. Remember, it's all about enjoying fresh, wholesome foods and sharing them with the people you love. Until next time, happy eating.